Welcome to JOAT Academy. Today, we are going to learn how to bisect a line segment. This is the question we will solve to help us understand the process clearly. Question: bisect line segment AB of length 6 cm. Note, the construction of a line segment was covered in the previous video. Let me guide you step by step on how to bisect this given line segment. Place your compass at point A. Open it to more than half the length of line AB, and draw arcs on both sides of line AB. Without changing the compass radius, place it at point B and draw another 2 arcs on both sides of line AB, so that they intersect the first pair of arcs, as shown. Label the intersection points as C and D, as shown. With the help of your ruler and pencil, draw a straight line from point C to point D. Let the point where line CD intersects line AB be labeled M. Point M is the midpoint of line segment AB. This means that AM is equal to MB. Therefore, the given line segment AB has been bisected. Watch out for the next video on how to construct a perpendicular line from a point outside a line to the line. Now, let me inform you that our advanced student report card generator, created in Excel, is now available. You can download it through the link in the description section. If you found this tutorial helpful, please subscribe. Like the video, share it, and help grow the channel. Thank you for watching. Until we meet again, keep practicing. Goodbye.